This week on Your City Now, Denver outlines its COVID vaccine plan. And Santa Claus still delivers even during a pandemic. Those stories are just ahead on Your City Now. On Thursday, Mayor Hancock and Bob McDonald gave an update on the city's vaccine plan and on the current COVID-19 numbers in the city.
We know people have a lot of questions and on when they will be able to get the vaccine. As the governor outlined, dependent on supply, the vaccine will be distributed over 3 phases.
The first phase will include frontline workers and patients in extended stay facilities. Phase 2 will consist of those over 65, people in high-density living situations, and workers who work directly with the general public, such as grocery store workers, food packing, and school staff, amongst others. The final phase consists of the general public. When each of these phases begins will be contingent on supply. Council's Budget and Policy Committee received a briefing on this plan as well on Thursday, which outlined the plan in more detail. It was also stressed that the vaccine is safe and has been rigorously vetted just as any other vaccine would be as well. While this news is exciting, it will take until at least early summer for the general public to be vaccinated. Denver residents are encouraged to keep up with their physical distancing, hand washing, and mask wearing for the foreseeable future. These measures have resulted in a positive downward trend for the COVID-19 numbers in the city. In the past month, case counts in Denver have been nearly cut in half. Positivity and hospitalizations have declined significantly as well. Stay on course, Denver. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Denver City Council recently approved contracts with new companies to get the improvements to the Great Hall at Denver International Airport back on track. In August of 2019, the city cut ties with the original contractor over delays and safety violations. In 2019, DEN served more than 69 million passengers in a terminal built for 50 million, and much of the space in the Great Hall of the terminal is used for TSA, which didn't even exist in 1995. The new contractors will focus on Phase 1 improvements, including new modern airline check-in space for United Airlines and Southwest Airlines, with self-bag drops to expedite the check-in process.
We are scheduled to complete this phase by the end of 2021, and we're working with our airlines and TSA on what the future phases will entail to ensure we can deliver a project that best meets the needs of travelers in a post-COVID world. Just as important, though, is that we committed to staying within our original $770 million total budget, and we're doing just that.
You can follow the project progress at flydenver.com/greathall. Since you can't always talk on the phone, PocketGov comes to the rescue with 311's new live chat feature, where you can ask about city services and chat with a live person. To find live chat, just go to pocketgov.com on your phone, tablet, or computer. If the blue button on the lower right side of the screen appears, someone is available to chat with you. Here you can ask questions and submit complaints, just like you would over the phone. There's even a feature to upload a file in case you took a picture of an incident, or you want someone to take a look at a document you have questions about. If you reach 311 after hours or no one is currently available, you can always submit a case by clicking on the Report a Problem tab. Denver 311 and PocketGov are helping you navigate Denver city services. Cars filled the parking lot of the former Kmart location that now houses the annual Denver Santa Claus shop. But this year, even in the snow, the shopping was all drive-through.
One of the biggest challenges with the weather is we've switched to a mobile delivery to provide safety and COVID-19 protocols. And so we're out here right now doing mobile toy delivery like it's never been done before. And we're so very excited to be here and just really help as many families as we can.
Denver Human Services has partnered with the Santa Claus shop for the last 20 years, and their goal to bring a toy to every girl and boy provides holiday cheer to some 10,000 Denver children annually. The Denver Santa Claus shop accepts donations year-round, and they expect even more families will need their help this holiday season. You can catch new episodes of Your City Now every Friday. Thanks for watching, Denver.